Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, Republic Act 10175. Introduction. Cybercrime refer to criminal activities that involve computer, network, or digital device. This crime can range making identity theft and online distribution of legal content. Cyberbullying and this spread is malware or somewhere. Cybercrime often target personal, financial, or business information and can be an individual group or even national state for financial gains. Other prevention of provision. NBI, National Bureau of Investigation, PNP, Philippine National Police, cover crime committed outside and inside the Philippines as long they involve Filipinos. Conclusion, epically ability RA 10175 in protecting individual institution by crime threats, impact and evolution. The Cybercrime Prevention Act has significant impact on Philippines legal landscape. It has provided law enforcement authorities with the new tools to investigate and prosecute cybercrime offense. However, the act controversial have also sparked ongoing debate about the balance between security and freedom of expression. Overview of RA 10175. Purpose of law to define, prevent, and penalize cybercrime. Scope. Crime committed using information and communication